Hello students, myself Dr. Neeraj Gupta, Assistant Professor, Institute of Bioscience and Technology, Sri Ram Saroop Memorial University, Lucknow. Today I will cover a lecture which is very popular called enzyme. So first of all, what is enzyme? Enzymes are proteinaceous in nature, made up of amino acids. Enzymes accelerate the rate of biochemical reaction. So, it means that enzyme binds to its substrate, form enzyme substrate complex, which is degrade into enzyme and product. The term enzyme was given by Cohne. And what is the meaning of that term? Actually, this term is made up of two parts. First is in, second is zyme. In means inside, zyme means yeast. The molecules which are discovered first time in yeast called enzymes. So, what is the chemical nature of enzyme? I will describe you in this flow chart. So, see, enzymes are generally proteinaceous in nature, made up of amino acids, but some enzymes contain non-protein part. And this non-protein part is very important for the activity of enzyme. So, enzyme together with its non-protein part, the enzyme is called hollow enzyme. So, hollow enzyme is the complete enzyme, active enzyme containing two parts, protein parts, non-protein parts. Protein parts of enzymes is called apoenzyme, which is actually inactive. Means this part is not able to convert substrate into product. Okay, and non-protein part, which is also called cofactor, can be divided into two parts based on their nature. Okay, so non-protein part can be classified in two parts, organic part, inorganic part. Okay, organic part of enzymes is also called coenzymes. Okay, so the organic part of cofactor is called coenzymes. And these coenzymes are actually the derivative of vitamin B complex. Vitamin B1, which is also called thiamine, which is the precursor molecule for the synthesis of coenzyme called thiamine pyrophosphate, called TPP. FAD is also a coenzyme which forms from vitamin B2, and the full form of FAD is flavin adenine dinucleotide. Okay. Similarly, NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is also a coenzyme. Coenzyme A, which is also a coenzyme. PLP, pyridoxal phosphate, and biotin. All these coenzymes are actually the different type of vitamin B complex. Okay. Now, these coenzymes are very much needed, and these coenzymes bind to its protein part, a specific protein part, and form a complete enzyme called whole enzyme. Right? So, organic parts is mainly the precursor, is the starting point, or we can say that an important component of enzyme. Right? The inorganic part of enzymes include many metals ions like magnesium, copper, nickel. For example, urease enzyme, which contain nickel as a cofactor. So, when cofactor is inorganic in nature, it is simply called cofactor. Okay, and when cofactor is organic in nature, then we call these cofactor as coenzyme. Okay, Thank you.